ense ya Amerika yabwatirana n'ense ya Israel kwene kiago kya Esegi hase ense ya Iran kubwatikana na keri umurai w'ense ya Amerika Donald Trump agotebanga nigo ense ya Iran yabekire emiroberio yokoroisia ebirwaniro by'ekisegi ebibira chekorenta obwaba ase ense yo ya Amerika n'ababwatani baye nabo ense ngima asate bire bono kugania nkware nkororo gokwene kiago n'ense ya Iran kunyare ko bakego saganwa erigo chigutugutirare umuroberio bwokoroisia ebirwaniro byo via nuclear tikaturategera chinkwana cyae.
Say it again, they can never have a nuclear weapon. That is why in Operation Midnight Hammer last June, we obliterated the regime's nuclear program at Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. After that attack, we warned them never to resume their malicious pursuit of nuclear weapons, and we sought repeatedly to make a deal. We tried. They wanted to do it. They didn't want to do it. Again, they wanted to do it. They didn't want to do it. They didn't know what was happening. They just wanted to practice evil. We're going to destroy their missiles and raise their missile industry to the ground. It will be totally, again, obliterated. We're going to annihilate their Navy. We're going to ensure that the region's terrorist proxies can no longer destabilize the region or the world.